Hi there, it's Alec here from Echidna Sewing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the design display colours in your Halo-100 and Halo-X. Alright, let's get into it. Now we're at the machine, let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is we'll make sure we aren't in embroidery confirmation mode, which is right here. So we'll take that into edit mode. Alright, now we're out of that, we're going to be going into our settings. So cog, user parameters, embroidery system parameters, and we're going to go to page 3 and then select the design display colors. And now we're on the screen to change the colors, so we're going to be changing it to a light blue to match what's on the machine, and then let's move over to the second color, which we have a gray on the machine, so we'll change it there. And now as we are selecting colors, if you just wanted to change one color on the machine, you go to the color that you want. So I want to do change number 5. So I go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, select that, and I want to change it to the lighter green or blue. Once we've changed the colors and you're happy with the selection, you can just press the green tick and take it back to the main screen. And you're ready to go.